Occasionally, it is very instructive to take a look back in history when carrying out further development on tools. Box joints have always been valued for being compact, strong, and durable. And with the production possibilities available today, it is also possible to manufacture them in large series with high repeat accuracy. This creates a compact, light, strong, precise, and durable pair of diagonal cutters. A classic application example is the use by electricians. The 40% improvement in power transmission means that it is even easier to cut cables. Cutting the cable to its final length for connection is achieved with a precise cut. This exercise is also completed excellently when cutting fine strands of flexible cables, and if necessary, also the finest single wires. In addition to this, the Knipex X-Cut does everything that's expected of universal, robust diagonal cutters. It cuts fence wire just as effectively as nails, even nails that are somewhat thicker. The X-Cut cleanly cuts through harder wire such as barbed wire. Mechanical engineering components are shortened quickly using the X-Cut. Its cutting edges are not affected by cutting spring steel. The new all-rounder bites through the most diverse tasks robustly and precisely. These include cutting plastic parts such as cable ties. This task also requires precisely guided and accurately produced sharp cutting edges, and the X-Cut masters it with the greatest of ease. The Knipex diagonal cutters with box joint design for maximum stability. Compact, light, powerful, and precise.